Should we try opening the other window and just hitting it with the stick?
No.
And then closing it fast?
No, bro, because it will hit that window, and that window's about to break.
Oh, I see.
Oh my god.
We just have to make sure he doesn't come back in. He's gonna make the nest right there, bro.
Oh my god. Yeah, we gotta get him out. How do we get him out?
Dude, he's hung on. Possibly.
Yeah, where's he gonna go though?
One more.
Get out of here. Is he gone? We need to shut it. Same shirt?
Same shirt.
As Vlog 11?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you ever seen what you do you think that's the answer to everything?
Whoa. You want to run a little bit? The moped? Yo, I'm gonna go out there.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Don't do that. No, we can go down.
Cross. Oh. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is so rusted out. Like there's just holes in the rust. No hands? And you say it's over, damn all these beautiful girls. What? You're a photographer? I'm on YouTube. Hit me up on Instagram. All right. Let me look it up. Vlog will be up Friday. I got you. $5,000 Oh, nobody's helping. Oh. And with the So Dwyer couldn't find his vape, and I'm just sitting here because I didn't feel like going back to the bridge with him. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching any vlog. Thank you for watching all my videos. Not all my videos are gonna be hiking or riding my bike or some adventurous stuff. I love adventurous stuff and I love challenging myself, but I like doing that in many different ways, not just hiking or being outside in nature. I love that. That's not the only thing I do. I love city.